Well, I visited a dairy farm earlier this year, and to see all the passion that the farmers have just to get the milk or cream or butter from the cows, and you see the chefs have so much passion in making the food, it just feels good to see that it starts from the very bottom, all their passion that they have just to make a gallon of milk, and it just feeds up to like me making a taco with a bunch of cheese on it, or soup with a couple gallons of milk in it. It's just nice to know that you have a good quality product from the very beginning. Dairy, for one, is delicious, and pretty much everybody loves dairy. I am Ender Octayuren, and I'm a dairy champion.